Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to draw a castle column. Alright, as you can see from this picture, alright, so this is a castle column. Alright, so I'll show you how to draw this. Let's get started. So firstly, come into your free modeling function. Alright, so we are going to use the free modeling function to create our castle column. Alright, so for the first step, come right on top here and select the polygon. Okay, so after selecting polygon, immediately type in the edges. As you can see, I key in 20 for my edges. Okay, and then once I have my edges, start drawing my circle, and I am going to give my circle 300 radius. Okay, so my radius is 300. Right, so right now I have one circle already. I would like to have another one. So to copy, okay, click on shift, okay, click on move, and then just paste another one. All right, so I have two exact same circle. All right, so for this one I am going to offset slightly a little bit bigger. Okay, 50. Okay, I'll key in my offset 50. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this entire circle and then Ctrl G to group them. Okay, same thing if I want to copy another one. Okay, I'm going to use move, hold on to your shift, and then copy and paste. Alright, so over here, okay, so this would be my base. Okay, so I'm going to stretch it. Okay, 1600. Okay, so just key in. Okay, and it looks something like that. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to ungroup this. Remember, just now I actually grouped it. So to ungroup, Ctrl B. Okay, so I already successfully ungrouped. Right now I am going to zoom in closer and stretch the outer part, which is this one. Okay, not the entire circle, but the offset. Okay, so I'm going to stretch it up and type in 150. Alright, so as you can see, I already have something like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to highlight this entire thing and then group it. Okay, combination. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do on top of this base, okay, I'm going to offset. Okay, I'm gonna offset it wider 50. Okay, so after offsetting, I can actually move this. Okay, since I've already grouped, so I can just move. Okay, I choose the end point and then move it right on top here. Okay, I'm gonna select again the end point and then just drag it right on top here. Okay, so I have something like that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do over here, as you can see, I have a circle. Okay, I would like to put a cover on top first. Alright, because I'm going to offset another layer. Okay, so to have the same exact circle, okay, which is this one, I want the dimensions following the outer layer. Okay, so I need to ungroup them first, and then I will delete, okay, one side of the inner layer. Okay, and then right now I can actually hold on to my shift and then copy another one. Okay, so I have the outer circle. Okay, so right now I can actually move it right on top here. Okay, so as you can see, okay, it's on top already. Next thing I'm going to do is that I can actually offset. Okay, offset and make it 50. Okay, so now it looks something like that. Okay, so for the final piece, okay, I'm going to do an offset, okay, slightly bigger, and then key in 50. Okay, same thing, I am going to delete one side of the inner layer. Alright, so right now I can actually stretch them. Okay, so I'm going to stretch them up 800. Okay, so this would be the cone. Okay, so right now it's a circular shape, a round shape. So in order to make it into a cone shape, we can use zoom, and then as you can see, just until the smallest and just click. Alright, and it will turn into a cone shape. Alright, so after you have a cone shape, you can highlight this entire thing, okay, and then group it. Okay, once you're done grouping it, you can use the move button and move it on top. Alright, so this is how you draw a castle column. Okay, so good luck trying, guys.